Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, Your Next New Home. I'm Jose Reyes. And in this channel, I go to different cities and I take you on tours of the beautiful homes that are available to you on the market here in the state of Florida. So if you're looking to invest, if you're looking to relocate, or if you're looking to buy and stop renting, you might find something here to your liking on this channel. Now today we're located in the beautiful area of St. Cloud. We're visiting a community that's currently underway and up and coming within the next few years. It's projected to be the next city within a city here in Central Florida. Making now the time to buy here in this community and watch the value of your home skyrocket like it did for those who bought in Lake Nona years ago. We're going to be taking a look at a couple homes here today, so we're going to probably divide this video in a couple parts, which I invite you to enjoy. So stick around, get comfortable, enjoy these tours, because you never know, one of these homes might just be your next new home. Okay everyone, so we're ready to get part one of this video started. We're ready to go ahead and take a look at this beautiful home that I have here right behind us. This is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a flex room sitting on 2,900 square feet. So let's get comfortable. Let's enjoy this tour with me. You never know, this one might just be your next new home. All right, guys, so we're finally inside this beautiful new construction home. As you can see, you come right into this beautiful foyer here in the front of the house. Right here to our left is going to be that flex room that we mentioned just a few seconds ago. Let's go ahead and come in here and enjoy this. As you can see, nice spacious room. They have it here set up to have kind of like an office or a study area or somewhere that you can kind of sit down and kind of relax and read a book, whatever that fits your needs for this room. Now let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the house. Coming over this way, just coming out of this flex room, here to our left is going to be that half bathroom for your guests down here in the first floor. As you can see, half bathroom, so it's going to have your standard mirror, your single hand washing sink, and also your toilet, just convenient here up front of the house. Okay, so moving forward to the rest of the house, just passing by the staircase, we'll go up there in just a few minutes. Right here is going to be the access door to the garage. So if you come over this way, this is going to be a 2-car garage with plenty of space for you to store several other things that you need to store here in your garage. One thing that you will notice is this house is already designed to have a Tesla charging station. For those who have Teslas or who have electric cars, this is the perfect place for you to charge your car overnight. All right, moving on from the garage, we're going to come over here to our right, which is going to be the laundry room. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. As you can see, you have a nice hand wash station here, so you can go ahead and pre-wash your garments or hand wash them if you don't want to use your machines. Plenty of storage space here on both sides. This house is going to provide you with your washer and dryer appliances, so they will be available to you once you purchase this home. As you can see, you have a nice spacious linen closet for you to store your clothes here, or store any towels or any other objects you need to store here in the laundry for you. Plenty of counter space here for you to fold your clothes while you're taking them out of the dryer. Also plenty of storage space as well. Drawers and cabinets at the bottom here, which is going to provide plenty of space for you to store your detergents and other necessities here in the laundry. Now let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the house. just moving on from the laundry, we're gonna step into this beautiful, amazing kitchen. If you're a person that likes to cook just like me, you're gonna love this kitchen. As you can see, a nice, big size granite countertop island, plenty of space to wrap around your family and guests around this island while you're cooking and entertaining them. You can put your cheese boards, your charcuterie boards, other little appetizers for your friends as you're getting ready for either a game or a family gathering or any other events that you want to host here in your house. Now, as you can see, you have the integrated farmhouse style sink here in this island, which is going to have plenty of space for you to do your dishes while you're talking to your family or guests. Also, this is a gourmet style kitchen, which means you're going to have an integrated microwave and your oven here into the cabinet, which looks amazing. Beautiful stainless steel Whirlpool appliances that are offered by this builder. Also, you're going to have the integrated stovetop here just into your cabinets as well, so you're not going to have just that big bulky stove and oven here. The oven's already here for you, like we said. This looks spectacular and amazing. Also, you're going to have the stainless steel hood that's going to be venting to the exterior of the house, so it's going to help minimize the smells of foods in the house. Even though it's delicious smells, you don't want them to linger too long while you're in here. Now, moving along this way, you're going to have what's the pantry closet here. Plenty of space here in this pantry to store all your foods and necessities for the kitchen. Also, it might just look like it's just this small space, but we can keep coming over this way. And we have extra storage space here. This kind of does like an L shape, so you can put more things here, more shelving to make more efficient use of this space. Let's keep moving on to the rest of the house. All right, my friends, so passing the kitchen, this is an open concept layout that the developer used for this particular model. As you can see, just a few feet from the kitchen, we have the family area. They staged this beautifully with this furniture. They can give you an idea how you can set this family room up. You have that nice big screen TV here with two full-size couches. This gives you a better idea of how big this space is, making it very comfortable for your friends and family whenever you have them here to watch a movie, or you're watching whatever shows you like to watch, or any sports games that you like to host at your house. Now, moving on, just past this couch, we have the backyard. So let's go ahead and check out this backyard before we move on to the rest of it. All right, guys. So look at this beautiful backyard, covered lanai with these nice pavers that they have set up here. Wonderful little couch here that you can kind of sit down and relax, enjoy a refreshing beverage on a warm summer evening that we have here in Central Florida. You can set this up with a nice barbecue, so you can have barbecues with your families and friends. You also have some connections here where you can kind of set up maybe a small kitchen or maybe a hand wash station out here. As you can see, there's some plumbing down there as well. Plenty of space out here for you to kind of maybe put a fire pit or put some chairs for you to relax on the nice, cool evenings, depending on the time of year here in Florida. And you got plenty of space here to organize it to meet your needs for your family. Now let's go back inside the house and check out the rest of it. All right, guys, so we're back inside this beautiful home. Moving on from what's the family room, you have the dining room right here next to it. And as you can see, they have this beautiful, long, rectangular style farmhouse tabletop, which is gonna have enough space for you to sit 6 people on this table. You could probably get a table in here that sits 8 people. Just all depends on what your needs are for this particular area. Now, moving on past this way, we're going to go into the first bedroom of the home, which is the first bedroom here and the only bedroom on the first floor, which is going to be your master bedroom. Now, moving on to this room, as you can see, plenty of space here. These are 10-foot ceilings, making it very nice and spacious in this room. Beautiful windows here on either side of the walls, which is going to allow a lot of natural light to come into this room, giving you a lot of clarity here throughout the day. As you can see here, plenty of space here. This is a king-size bed with a lot of furnishings around. Plus, you have plenty of space to roam around here, making this a nice, big, comfortable room for you to be in throughout the day. And at night, even have enough space for you to put a nice little chair and table for you to read at night before you go to bed. Now, coming over this way, you're going to find what's the master bathroom. It's a beautiful master bathroom. It has 2 sinks, one on either side. Beautiful vanities with a lot of storage space here as well. So you got one sink for either spouse. Moving forward this way, you're going to have the toilet here that's going to have a door for a lot of privacy. Now, just across from the toilet, you're going to have the beautiful glass enclosed shower. Very, very spacious shower. As you can see, you turn on the water here at the opening of the shower. You have this beautiful shower head here that you could probably switch out, put something a little bigger to cover the area here. But I'm roughly about 6 foot tall, plenty of space here. Enough space for me to move around when I'm taking a shower, make it nice and comfortable when you come in here. Now, moving on from the shower, you're gonna have what's the walk-in closet. Pretty spacious walk-in closet. As you can see, they have various racks for you to store your clothes on. You can go to a hardware store, get a closet kit, maybe put more shelving here or design this to be more efficient use of the space, depending on what it is that you need to put into this closet. Now, let's go ahead and leave the master bedroom. Let's go ahead to the second floor. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy and see what we have up there. All right, guys, so we are now in the second floor of this beautiful new home. As you can see, as soon as you get off the stairs here, you're gonna walk into what is the loft area up here on the second floor. Plenty of windows here that are gonna allow for a lot of natural light to illuminate this area throughout the day, which minimizes the use of the electric, which is gonna keep that electric bill down every single month. As you see here, they kind of set it up for kind of a area to kind of relax and watch movies, since they put a TV here up front. But you can make this another study or workstation for your kids so they can get their schoolwork done, whatever meets your needs for this area. Now, moving just across from the loft, you're gonna go into one of the first rooms of the 3 that you're gonna locate up here in the second floor. And as you can see, very spacious room. This looks like a queen size bed. You could probably put a king size bed in here as well and get away with it, have plenty of space. It does only have one window here on the side. Give some sunlight into this, not as illuminated as the other areas of the house, but plenty of light coming here throughout the day. As on the other side over here is going to be your closet, which is going to be kind of a step-in style closet. Door is going to slide open. Plenty of space here to kind of store your stuff. Again, standard rack here, but you can put other shelving here for you to put more storage, to have more storage space in this closet, and a lot of other space here as well. Now let's go ahead and move from this room. Let's keep going down to the next few rooms. All right, moving on to the rest of this second floor, we're gonna come up to what is the bathroom here to our right. This is a full-size bathroom that's gonna be the bathroom for the use of the 3 people who are living up here on the second floor. Let's come inside here. You're gonna have a granite countertop with 2 sinks. So the kids don't have to wait in line to use the sink and brush their teeth in the morning or at night. Coming over this way, you're gonna have the combination stand-in tub and shower, and also the toilet back here with the door to close with a lot of privacy, allowing this space to be used by others up here on the second floor. Now, moving across from the bathroom, we're going to go into the second room of the 3 that are located up here on the second floor. This one has, as you can see, plenty of windows. They're going to allow all that natural light to come in, giving a lot of clarity here throughout the day as well. Plenty of space in this room. Also, this looks like it's a queen size bed, which again, you can see all this space here towards the wall from that bed. You can probably put another king size bed as well as here, just to give you kind of an idea of how big this room actually is. Also has another step-in closet, just like the previous room. As you can see here, another sliding door where you kind of step in and put your clothes up here. A lot of space down here to store other things here for this room. Let's move on from here and let's go to the third room that's located up here on the second. All right, guys, so we're in room number 3 of this beautiful, amazing house. As you can see, a lot of natural light coming in here. This particular window is facing the front of the house, so throughout the morning, you're gonna get all that natural light coming into this room. As you can see, they have the stage for having kids in here, or maybe adults who share a room, who knows. But you have 2 twin size beds, plenty of space here between those twin size beds, which you can put another king size bed here as well. The closet here is not much of a step-in closet. It's more like a standard closet. You have a sliding door as well with the standard rack. You can, again, organize that as well to your liking based on what you need for this house. So that pretty much does it for the tour, guys. Let's go ahead and get out of here and we'll talk about the financials for this home. All right, guys, so that pretty much does it for the tour of this beautiful home. And I want to thank you so much for joining me on that tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now, the interesting thing about this home is that a few months ago, the price range for this house was about anywhere from $600,000 to $700,000. Today, with the new price sheet that we got, this particular home is going for about $544,000 before upgrades. Now, huge reduction, making it a great opportunity to buy within this community. So like I said in the intro, it's up and coming, and it's going to be the next city within a city here in Central Florida, just like Lake Nona. This community is going to have a full-on marina where you can take your boats, where you can go fish, kayaking, paddleboarding. It's going to have a lot of bike trails and walking trails and running trails. You're going to run out throughout the whole community. Plenty of recreation areas for this community, for your family and guests. It's also going to have a beautiful garden area, community garden area, where everyone can come in, join together, and go ahead and plant their plants and produce as well. Very eco-friendly community. Houses are built with designs to be very energy efficient, since it's going in with that eco-friendly trend. Again, this is the time to buy in this community, my friends. It's going to be just like Lake Nona, where people bought years ago and their house value tripled in price within the years to come. This is going to be the same thing. Now, that pretty much does it for this part one. I invite you to join me on part two. You don't want to miss this next home. Another beautiful home. If you like this one, you might love that one. So go ahead, stick around, see that part one, because you never know, either this house or the other house might be your next new home.